We need 200 grams of pasta, 2 tablespoons of oil, and since it is 200 grams, we need 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 liters of water. So we will season the water with salt, 2 teaspoons salt, and then the oil, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we'll just wait for this to boil. Okay, now the water is boiling. We will now add the pasta. There you go. And then we will boil this for 12 minutes. Here I have here with me my timer. Start. So, since this is a thick pasta, we need at least 12 to 15 minutes boiling. Because as I have mentioned in my lecture the last time, for fresh pasta it has to be boiled 5 minutes. For thin pasta it has to be boiled at least 8 to 10 minutes. And for thick pasta it should be boiled for about 12 to 15 minutes. But now it's not so thick, so we'll just place it as at 12 minutes. Okay? Knowing the right proportion of your ingredients in boiling the pasta would give you an accurate cost of the pasta that you're preparing. At least after you have cooked it, you know the exact proportion, you know how much you would cost everything. And you will not be guessing your costings. The boiling should be really very brisk, high heat, so that we could preserve the nutrients of the pasta intact into the pasta, even if it is cooked already. So remember when to use high heat and low heat in boiling. If you want to preserve the nutrients of the food item, you have to boil it in high heat, and you boil it. You dip it into the boiling liquid when it's already really boiling. But if you want to transfer the nutrients of your ingredient to the water, you have to start with tap water. Get it, guys? I am using a Fussili, the twist here, the twist noodles. So here, guys, this is the Fussili. So now it's almost done. 4, 3, 2, 1. So 12 minutes, we'll turn it off, and then we will just transfer it in a colander, and then let running water run through it. So now here is our pasta. It is 200 grams earlier when it's still raw, but when it's done, it becomes 474 grams.